Welcome to Video Content Marketing. I am Michael Feyrer Jr. On this channel, you will find a live tutorial every Tuesday at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time covering topics such as search engine optimization, demystifying YouTube analytics, tag, title, and thumbnail optimization, as well as sales funnels and other monetization strategies that you can use to earn money on YouTube. Whether you have 10 subscribers or 100,000 subscribers, these tutorials will help any content creator grow their channel and earn money on YouTube. On Thursdays, I'll be releasing videos tailored towards monetization strategies based on your YouTube skills. This could be anything from selling online courses to using your footage as stock footage to sell online. On Thursdays, you'll also find videos tailored towards growing your influence on other social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. The anchor of the channel is a live broadcast every single day at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, titled The Best Hour of My Day. This is a community show meant to encourage content creators to collaborate and exchange ideas about YouTube growth and monetization strategies. On The Best Hour of My Day, you will find plenty of opportunity to collaborate, grow, and get support from all kinds of other like-minded YouTube creators, and most importantly, learn more about the people behind the camera. If growing your channel, finding like-minded creators to collaborate with, or earning some money on YouTube is something you're interested in, elevate your strategy by clicking that subscribe button. Also, click on that bell so you'll be notified the next time an opportunity arrives for you to grow and learn. Until next time, be good to each other and lend a hand to your fellow creator. It all comes back around in the end. Market like a boss. VCM out.